Hello friends, Unique Shiksha welcome you in its quick revision series, which is the 2 minutes concept series, in which concepts important for UPSC Civil Services exam are discussed briefly. This video is about the Treaty of Allahabad, which was signed on August 12, 1765 between Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II and Robert Clive of the East India Company after the Battle of Buxar, which was fought on October 22, 1764. Based on the terms of the agreement, Shah Alam granted the East India Company Diwani right, or the right to collect taxes on behalf of the emperor from eastern provinces of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. In return, the company paid an annual tribute of 26 lakh rupees to the Mughal emperor. The district of Kara and Allahabad were also returned to the Mughal emperor. The treaty also forced Nawab of Awadh Sujaud-Dowla to pay rupees 53 lakhs as war indemnity to the East India Company. But Awadh was returned to him and company agreed to help him in case of outside attack. In Bengal, the Nawab of Bengal retained the judicial functions, but the company got the power to collect revenue. Its significance can be attested from the fact that the agreement marked the beginning of the British rule in India. This treaty brought Bengal under effective control of British East India Company, and with this treaty, East India Company got a strong political footing in India. Before this treaty, the British only had a strong trading relations with the Indian rulers, but the treaty was one of the factors that made sure that East India Company was going to rule for next 2 centuries. So this was about the Treaty of Allahabad and its significance. This can be a likely question in mains, so practice this question in 250 words. In case you like this concept, please smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. In case you have any query, you can write us on info@uniqueshiksha.in and you can also call us on this number. Thank you so much.